Visitors to the Senedd were offered a taste of Wales on St David's Day. The National Assembly's presiding officer, Rosemary Butler AM, welcomed some of Wales's foremost food producers to the Senedd, who took the opportunity to show off some of the skills and produce that is allowing Welsh food to make its mark the world over. The event highlighted how farming and food production are still some of Wales's biggest industries.
I'm very pleased to welcome you all here today. You will also see an information stand by Wales The True Taste, and this is a brand which promotes the very best food and drink that Wales has to offer. It aims to raise awareness of Welsh food and drink among consumers and to increase the consumption of Welsh food by the hospitality industry and the public sector.
And it wasn't all about food on St David's Day at the Senedd. The Caldecott Male Voice Choir were also on hand to add that other Welsh staple, song, to the proceedings.
The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales, and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.